couple of dangerous, rotted planks here. The board's cut. It's pressure treated boards. Man, these steps are just rotten. Just falls apart. Just the slightest pressure. That's an accident waiting to happen. It's done. Nobody will be falling through that portion anytime soon. This one's split. I'll put that screw in there to hold that together. Here's the tools we used. That saw was actually not big enough. I needed a full-size electric saw. So I had to flip the board over multiple times, and took quite a while to cut an inch off of this board. It would have stuck out too far if I hadn't cut an inch off of it and made a trip hazard. So that little saw was fine for cutting through the width of it, but not the length. But we made it work.